welcome to my channel. I'm on a road trip in China and now located in Rongjiang County, Guizhou Province. Due to my mistake, I lost a lot of my video material just yesterday. It took me 3 days from filming to editing. I disappeared for quite a while, but I still want to share with you the interesting experience of the past 2 days with the only remaining video material. The original plan was arrive at Rongjiang County along the 321 National Highway from Sanjiang County. When passing by Chongjiang County, I saw the local harvest autumn rice. Many people gathered together. I was curious, so I went down to watch it. 他们叫我过去看看他们在卖什么呀？你们是在吃饭吗？我看到。他们几个没那么哇！我开车从这儿路过，我看到下面好多人，我以为在卖东西呢，然后就拿无人机飞一下看一下。哇！为什么？哦，你们是在这附近干活是吗？哦，哎，坐一下。哦，谢谢啊。尝一下我们这边的味道啊。哦。早上是过早来的。一直在这里收水稻，然后现在才吃饭。哦，谢谢啊。不用谢。好热情呀！这里面是你们打的那个水稻吗？对啊。哦。这一抽还有那一抽啊。哦。这一袋哦，好多啊！这对，我提不动，我肯定提不动。哇！在这个地方，刚才大家是在吃饭，然后是有一家的麦子熟了啊，不，那个水稻熟了，然后呢，就是村里的只要是没有事儿的、不忙的人都过来帮他收麦子，然后，他带大家吃饭，然后收完了麦子，大家就回家了。This is an ordinary Chinese village inhabited by Dong ethnic residents. Because everyone was making a dinner party, I can't help, so I took a look around the village. In south of China, many villages is like this. The distance of the building is very, very close, just like this. And eat here tonight. They're making glutinous rice. 这是在蒸糯米饭是吗？把这个弄下来以后，然后洗一洗蒸就可以了，对吗？就是那个东西，挺好吃的。这个不用去洗的，不用洗，直接蒸就可以是吗？炒的呀。我以为是蒸的，蒸了放凉。哦，它炒完以后还是软的吗？不要炒，不放油啊。哦，不放油啊。什么油啊？就这样炒啊。你爱吃这个吗？你爱吃这个吗？不是很喜欢吃啊，我觉得很好吃啊。 对对，没有奇怪的味道，就是米香味。
以前老人都是这样搞嘛。
对。然后我今天看到他们在弄成这个样子放在那里，我还想为什么有的要把它打成米粒，但是有的就这样子弄呢？
糯米就这样勾吗？
嗯。
少量香料都不行。
There are so many delicious food tonight. I'm drooling. It's making chicken and duck's meat, and here it's making 糯米饭. And here is making pumpkin soup, and here is making 薯米. And here is making 贵州 special deep water. I just want to say I can't choose so many at the same time. Oh, it's a sumptuous dinner. People start cooking at 3 o'clock and now it's about 7 o'clock. Finally, everything comes to an end. The locals also tell me that there will be a bullfighting in the neighboring village tomorrow, so don't miss it. So many people come here to watch the bullfight, and I have to park the car here. They're about 1 kilometer away from here. Look, so many cars.
照什么门呢？
拍一下，这么多人来。The locals tell me that this time is when people harvest rice, but this bullfighting competition only has 1 day. So everyone put down their farm work and came to watch competition. I come here a bit late, but there must be something interesting inside. This is local people's clothes, and they like to wear blue clothes. It is rare to say young people wearing it, and there are many vendors on the roadside. I haven't had my breakfast. Although the residents living nearby are all Dong people, but many young people rarely wear ethnic clothing because modern clothing is more comfortable. Today should be considered a local festival. So many young people change into folk customers and dress up to attend. Actually, before arriving southeastern of Guizhou, I have never heard of bullfighting culture in Guizhou. If there were no enthusiastic villagers who recommended me to come here, I would definitely have missed it.哪一个最精彩？第5个是吗
4、5、6个。
哦，4、5、6个。哇，你们这边每天都有最近啊？这最近每天都有啊？
现在没有啊，到17线，17、 松原那边有的，银六那边有的。
哪一个你有股份啊？
3点一线这个。
哦，第6场。
哦。
哦。
跟苗大打的。
你们几个人合伙买的？
几十户，有
几十
60-70户。
哦。纯粹娱乐。 Bullfighting is a traditional folk activity of Miao and Dong ethnic group in southeastern Guizhou. The process of making two cows fight with their horns to determine the outcome is known as Eastern style bullfighting. This competitive sport has a history of over 2,000 years in Guizhou. Every September, there is a bullfighting festival. Each village will send a first ox king to go on an expedition, pray for a bountiful harvest through bullfighting activities. Therefore, the inherited bullfighting competition has also become one of the classic ethnic characteristics of local culture. The price of a cow ranges from 10,000 yuan to several hundred thousand yuan. Today's bullfighting competition was not organized by a professional team. It was all initiated spontaneously by villagers. The competition is a point-based system, and the final winner can receive a cow. The cows mentioned here are for eating meat, not for racing. In most cases, a few or dozen of people in the village jointly contribute to buy a cow to participate in competition. You 这是做牛肉火锅吗？
对，牛瘪火锅。
哦，牛瘪火锅。
对。
Bullfight quite interesting. The game will continue to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then people will sit down by the roadside to eat beef sticks hot pot. I'm not used to it, so I'm out. This is the day I watched a bullfight competition in Pingyu village, and this is the end of today's video. If you're interested in my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to know something about China, you can write in the comment section. Bye bye.